So we just docked at the port in a city close to Aktau, Kazakhstan. It's 4:30 a.m. We were supposed to get here at 11, so we were all going to camp together and then wake up in the morning. We'd all go our separate ways, but it's 4:30 now in the morning, so I mean, by the time we would find a place to camp and set up camp, the sun would rise, but it's too early to start cycling really, so I don't know, it's this weird limbo time. But I guess I'll just cycle super early in the morning. I'm pretty tired. The windiest day I've experienced so far, except for that day that I was caught in that storm in Azerbaijan. I went ahead by myself and left the French guys back there because I'm an awful person. No, because I got a couple things I need to get done and I need to do it in a city. I think the sign's super hilarious. So the top is Aktau in Kazakh, and then the bottom is Aktau in Russian. Like, the only difference is that little thing underneath the cape. Miru Mir. I'm not sure what that means right now, but I'm sure I'll put it here in post. I love these car wash signs. It's like it's saying that your car is going to be abducted by UFOs in 15 kilometers. This is a bus stop for who? There's nothing here. So my hostel was listed as the wrong address and I couldn't figure it out, so this guy hopped in his car to lead me to where the hostel is, but now they're having trouble figuring out where the hostel is, so he's asking this guy where it's at, and he drives really fast. It's been really hard to keep up. So they passed me up to another guy who drove even faster, but he did bring me to the hostel, and now we're going to do the classic thing where I talk to his friend who barely speaks English on the telephone. It's like a children's Burning Man. This is nuts. There's like all these kids and people riding around in all these electric vehicles. There's just an accident right here. This person's on a bicycle. This little kid almost got ran over. There's barely any light. All these people are going all these different directions. Careful with my bike there.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody already hit my bike with one of these fucking things.
For my life.
Yeah, seriously. Hello. Hello. Salim. Duldan is taking me to his English class, so I'm gonna be like the guest star at his English class to talk with people in my native tongue. So hopefully it won't be weird.
Hi.
Cool. Hi. Salim. Morning. Morning. Hello, how are you? Pretty good.
What's his name?
My name, Mikey. Mikey. Yeah, it's like Michael, Mike, Mikey. Similar to like Misha. Yeah. I live in Arizona, next to Mexico and California. So California is a 3-hour drive from my house. Yeah.
What do you do here?
I'm traveling by bicycle. No, not married. No.
Take your hip out it in.
Say them my words.
Oh shoot. Salim.
Salim.
Salim. Kor.
Kazakhstan.
Kreisner. Salim Kreisner. Salim Kreisner. Yeah. Salim Kreisner. Привет.
Rahmet.
Rahmet. Привет, Rahmet. Привет, Rahmet. Yeah, cool. Oh, thank you. Okay, cool. For this trip, I worked. Morning. Salim.
Salim.
Thank God there's a rest stop. That's a huge climb and it's so hot. I started way too late today. And I started Kazakhstan way too late in general. Because that freaking microphone adapter that does like barely even works. Oh God, it's so hot. Oh, it's a bathroom. Shoot. I'll find another shady spot. Maybe that abandoned building there. Whew. It's only May. Gotta cycle through Uzbekistan in June. Okay, I don't know. Part of me wants to just stay here and relax. The other part of me wants to go because it's been raining on and off, like sprinkling a little bit since I got here. And I think I got quite a bit of downhill afterwards. I'll have to check my map and see, but I don't know. I'll probably just stay here. no point in cycling when it's the middle of the day. It's similar to hiking in the Grand Canyon. We would leave like at the break of dawn, sometimes before, and then sometimes just chill and nap in some shade and then finish the hike later in the day. No sweat, just actually a lot of sweat. So I'm camped on the side of a freeway outside of a little town called Jitebe. I'm sure I could have asked somebody in the village if they'd have a place to stay, but I haven't been alone in a long time, and that's kind of the whole reason why I like to travel alone, is to be alone. You know, just staying in the hostel in Baku, and then there's no escape on the ship. Stayed at a hostel for 2 nights in Aktau. So yeah, I'm looking forward to just having a solo night here. The problem with camping out here in Kazakhstan is that there's no trees. There's nowhere to hide. There's not many geological features, no caves or anything. So I'm camped out in the middle of the ether. So I'm trying not to use my light too much so I'm not super visible. And there's wolves and camels and horses and stuff out here. So I camped without my rain fly so that I can keep an eye on everything. But I should be fine. One thing I forgot to pack was like a chainmail rat sack to keep my food in, because there's no trees out here to hang up my food, so I just had to leave my food on the ground and hope that no mice or anything eat my stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna cook some ramen buckwheat and wake up super early in the morning, before sunrise, way before sunrise, so I can get some miles in. Even though it's 10:43, I can't believe it got that late so fast. But yeah, I'll see you guys then. So I'm chilling at this rest stop, and I went to go throw something away in this big garbage can, and it totally scared the crap out of me. Andy's name? I don't know. Man, the bug scene out here is so ridiculous. There's these little tiny gnats that just get over everything. I don't know if you can see them in this video. At night, you just can't use your headlamp or flashlight on your phone or anything, because you just get rampaged and accosted by all these giant insects. Are they mating, or did this guy catch this guy and kill him? Oh, fuck!